Hi and welcome back. So this is day 7 of Yin and today we are focusing on twisting. So when you're ready, we're actually going to start off at the back of the mat. Okay. You can have the knees a little bit wide. You're just going to start to walk the hands forward. Allow the belly to settle down in between the thighs and slowly just start to let the forehead rest. Elbows bend, eyes closed. If you have a lot of stuff going on in your mind, okay, or a lot of mental chatter, just gently roll the forehead side to side across the mat. And then just let it settle into the middle. And just letting the breath just be your guide all the way through. So as you take your breath in, let the breath move across the whole of the spine. And you can feel the whole of the spine expand up and down and on either side. So like the rib cage starts to really expand out as well. Lower back expands. We're going to be here for 3 more breaths. So really allowing the breath to help you settle and drop. Okay, just 1 more breath now. Inhale. And exhale. And I want you to start to walk the arms forward, okay? And then you're going to bring the palms of the hands together. And then elbows are going to reach forward a little bit more. And then start to bring the hands towards the back of the head. Okay, so just coming into a little bit of a stretch around the lats. Lengthen the lower back the way so you can feel the stretch. Don't overly strain it out, just super nice and easy. And then from here, just press the hands kind of back and away from the head now. Press into the elbows, lift the head up, and just walk the elbows over to the left. And make sure the elbows are shoulder distance. Once you've gone as far as you can, all right, allow the head to settle. Press the palms together again, and then start to reach the arms back. And this time it's that right elbow that is just reaching forward as the right side of the bum roots back. It doesn't have to touch the heels, okay? So just do what you can. Just breathe. Okay, hands come away again from the back of the neck. Press into the elbows, lift the head, and then we're going to go the other way. So walk those elbows over to the right, and again, shoulder distance. Left elbow, it's almost like it reaches just a little bit extra forward, and then letting the chest and the head fall, and then hands come back again towards the back of the head. And again, just breathe in here. Okay, pressing the hands again away, lifting the head, and then walk yourself all the way back through to center. And once you're in center, again, just allow the chest to fall. Elbows reach forward, forehead drops, and then hands just come back again. And just taking 3 breaths here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, hands release. Bring the arms wide and then draw them back towards the knees and then press yourself up. Okay, just walk yourself forward. Okay, and then we're going to take a big inhale, lift the left arm up, and then exhale, you're going to thread the left arm under the right and come into a twist. Okay, you can bring that right arm back behind you, so coming into this kind of twisted panda. You might want to cross at your ankles just to give you a bit of support. I like to cross right over left. And again, just allow yourself to settle, hold here. If that arm coming back behind you doesn't feel good, just place it down in a position that does feel good for you. So I actually really like mine over my head, but you can maybe have the arm straight, elbow bent, or hand just in front of your face. So just do what is working for you. Okay, we're going to bring that right hand down. Ease your way out of the twist. Left hand roots. Okay, thread the right arm under and do the same on the other side. So this time left ankle would cross over right. I'm going to have my arm back on this side. So every side is different. So don't just assume you did one thing on one side. You're going to do the same on the other. So just experiment. Okay, when you're ready, press into that left arm. Just release the right arm out. And then come back, roll the shoulders out. Okay, you're going to come back and lie down onto your back. Make sure you've got a block or something with you. So when you're lying down, you're going to place the block to the right side. Draw the knees to the chest. Okay, shift the hips over to the left and then let the knees fall to the right. Okay, now the arms are going to come into that cactus shape. So what you can do here is just experiment. If the left shoulder does not reach the floor, okay, then you definitely need a block or something underneath the right knee or in between the thighs. All right. If both knees come down, the left shoulder is remaining down, then you can just bypass the prop. Unless you really feel like you need it, in which case just use them. Honestly, they are your friend. Props are friend, not foe. And just again, close your eyes, settle down. Okay, inhale, head back through the center. And then exhale, release the arms, release the legs. Okay, just settle the pelvis back through to neutral. Keep the soles of the feet on the floor. Hands just onto your belly. And just breathe. Okay, hug the knees in close towards the chest again. Shift the block or the prop if you used it over to the left side. Shift the hips to the right and then let the knees fall to the left. And just allow the arms to become to come into cactus position again. You can shift the head to the right or keep the gaze up towards the ceiling. Inhale, head back through to center. And again, take the knees back through, hips back through, hands rest onto your belly. Then when you're ready, just hug your knees in. You can rock yourself up to your seat. Take your legs into just a comfortable cross. Shoulders roll back, hands settle onto knees. Just close your eyes. Big breath in. Nice long exhale. And one more time, big breath. And exhale. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that class, and that was the final day of 7 days of Yin. So some lovely, hopefully you've enjoyed them, mini practices of Yin Yoga. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and to comment, and you'll get notifications as well as to when I'm putting out classes. All right, so I shall see you guys soon, and lots of love. Bye.